Welcome, guys, and thanks for being here. Another day with gold. Another day with gold. Another day with gold. Let's see what we have. I will prepare the sell position. Preparing a sell position gold. Preparing a sell position Nasdaq too. So well, for sell position, just we need to wait the retracement. For long position, we need to wait the confirmation. That's the two difference at this point. Let's see what happened. Let's see what we have. Buenos días. Buenos días a todos. Espero estén bien. Let me read the chat. Karim, welcome. That trader. Lewis is here. Welcome. Elisa, hello and welcome. Boba is here. Welcome, my friend. And Boba is our new moderator into the chat. He will help us with uh, with some throw people into the chat uh, with the insults and everything, spamming. So great. That's beautiful. New moderator. Exactly. Boba was with me for around more than a year. That's great. That's great. So well, prices give us a reaction around 51.05, 07. Mm. Let's see what happened. Daniel, Daniel L. Bienvenido, mi amigo. Leo Perkins, welcome, my friend. Have nice. I'm good, my friend. You? Hopefully, you're good. Yes, it's good for USD. Yes, remember we have two sons, right? The buy sum and the sell sum is there. So let's see. Probably the price will fall. Let's test the sell sum. For the sell sum, just we need the price go back to the around 51.13 at least. Okay. Roberto, mi amigo, cualquier pregunta nada más. La hacen en español y listo. Estamos esperando venta. Para venta nada más esperar el retroceso a alrededor de 51.13, 51.15. Para la zona en compra sí se va a ocupar confirmación. Eso es lo que estoy explicando. Past board, I think you changed your name or no? Not sure. So well, probably we will continue with the sales. So probably will be the same for the Nasdaq. So well, Okay, the price is falling. Okay, let me read the chat. Sam Up is here. TC, I trade the volume sums. Volume sums, guys. Unfortunately, well, the volume sum didn't give us the proper retracement for open that trade. So, well, the price is falling. So here we need to understand. We need to wait the we need to wait the confirmation. Okay. I really want to take the sell position, but well, this is what we have. So let's see. Okay, the price it's 83, 83, 83, 83 is here. Okay, good. Here we need the confirmation. Looks like a pin by reaction, so that would be enough. Let's see. Meta V is here. Vamos con compra entonces. Una pregunta, ¿no? ¿Cómo sé que es un order block? Bueno, eso lo bastante específico y me tomaría tiempo explicarlo. Pero, Roberto, tienes demasiados videos en YouTube ahí, te fijo, encontrar así como identificar un order block, un short rápido. Pero por lo general es una, por ejemplo aquí, es una vela sola, que queda sola en el mercado, queda con bastante volumen y la mitad es el order block. Eso para darte un ejemplo muy, muy resumido, ¿no? Este sería un ejemplo. Aquí, igual esta, ¿verdad? Esta quedó como order block. Aquí, por ejemplo, esta quedó sola también, pero cuando el precio llegó no nos dio ninguna confirmación. ¿Por qué? Porque no hay una vela sola formada con order block. No es funcional, tiene que agregarle volumen, tiene que agregarle no sé, una resistencia, un soporte, algo para que tenga mayor este porcentaje de éxito. Por ejemplo, aquí igual esta roja, esta roja llega a la mitad, toca y se va. Aquí igual queda sola la vela, llega a la mitad, toca al medio y cae, ¿verdad? Pero muchas veces no es suficiente. Yo puse mi compra en 50.45. Ok, perfecto. So waiting here, guys. Just we need to wait the confirmation again. Let's see what happened. Almost 500 people is seeing the stream. I just 20 likes. So please help me with the likes, guys. I really appreciate that. Let's go for at least 200 likes. Spent so many years with you on this stream. Glad to keep it going strong. Ricky, perfect, my friend. That's the idea. Hopefully, you learn something. You win some money too. But thanks for your support, my friend. I really appreciate that. 6 minutes, guys. 6 minutes for this is a pin bar reaction. So let's see if we can apply for the retracement. Let me clean the chart. So back is here. Pin bar reaction, guys. Waiting that confirmation in the next 4 minutes. So pure patience, guys. Pure patience. Pure patience. Tankatsu. Let's see. Welcome, my friend. 2 minutes. Losing all the pressure. Pikachu Gaming is here. Welcome, my friend. Let's see. This is the last 2 minutes. Okay. Perfect. So for the prop firms, my friend, just go into the propfirmmatch.com. There you will see what is the best option, what is the best discount for you, according your necessities, according your knowledge, according your wallet for sure. If you want to apply for instant funding, prop firm, just go into the prop firm match, my friend. I think the link is into the chat. I will share the link into the chat, and the link is into the description, guys. Okay, so just be clear. There is the option there. Many options there. Just you need to read and clarify what is the best option according to your necessities, guys. So well, good. It's time. 5085. Okay. Retracement there. Waiting at least the 82. 85, it's there. Price is falling. 50, 82, 50, 80, 50, 75 could be a good point too. But well, I'm seeing some consolidation there, so let's try the position there. Let me see. Yeah. Let's try to open the position there. The 85 give us a hard reaction with that candle. Let's wait some retracement. 288. Let me wait some retracement. Let's see here, 90. 90 is there. '89. Okay, the position it's taken. That retracement. Mm, 5089. Let's see what we have. Going back so hard. Let's see. Remember, the stop is the 5074.50. That's the most important thing there. Working as fast as you can. Yes, I committed some mistakes with the TPS in the Telegram. I will correct it now. 51 is massive TPS. It wasn't the TPS. There's the confusion. So testing the 85 again. Let's see. We need a good reaction. Hmm. Passing the 82. The last point of reaction, what we have, it's near to the 50.76. So let's see if we can see something good here. Any pressure now for sellers. We need a good reaction in the next candle. I don't think it will continue like this. Trying to go up a little. So well, one candle for around 80 pips. 1 minute. Unfortunately, not the best reaction there. So let's see. 50.78. 76 was the last point of reaction. So if we don't see something good in the next three candles, we will hit this up. Huh. 75. So this is the last three. Probably we will hit this stop in the next three candles, in the next minutes. So be ready, no more than 50.74. That 50 is the stop, maximum stop. So, well, buyers trying to continue near to the 76. Little reaction, but we need more. We need more. That is not enough. This is not enough. The next candle is a must to see as something really good, because this is not enough. Losing the pressure. Price trying to continue to 50.80. That is not enough. That is not enough. We need more, of course. 67 it's now, and the stop is there, guys. So the stop is there. Minus 149 beams. Uh-huh. Siete. 36. So well, probably the price will break the long position. So it will give us the next one. So let's see. Now this that was our point of volume by some was here. It hit the 2 3 times. Now they want to break this on near to the 50.83, and now basically we got this another position near to the 50.31. Well, the sell zone what we are waiting was the 51.14. Just we need the retracement there. No retracement. The price give us a reaction early. Then here it give us A pin bar reaction there. We try to wait the retracement as better as I can. But well, massive candle for around 170 pips. Continue with the retrace. Mm, so they will break the sun. Um, we will wait. It will generate another position. So it depends for the next 10 minutes. So please don't hold positions in negative. That's pretty important. Pretty important to don't hold positions in negative. We will wait and try the re-entry. Depends of the next 10 minutes. So let's see what we have. So well, let's see what happened. The sounds continue at this moment the same. The stop is there. Minus almost $560. Again, probably it will continue down. So please, guys, respect the stop loss. That's pretty important. Pretty important to respect that point. Now it's testing the little resistance there in 50.70. But I don't think if the price don't respect the 50.85, I don't think it will give us something. 8 minutes. Testing the 65. Exit the 50. And for that reason, we use this stop, guys. It will break the sun. The 70 and the resistance there would break it. With the minimum low is near to the 50s 55, so not too much to do. But well, according to this information, let's prepare the possible scenario. Okay, perfect. So well, the sell sum works very good. The buy sum, it's done. The next possible entry could be in that resistance here. With that one. This is the point. Little reaction there. The 16. No. It's done. It's done here. So the only one here that was the point. This is the candle. That was for February 10th. Mhm. Okay. Okay. So 50-30 could be the point. 50-10 inclusive. Mhm. Here. 50-50. Then the 50-50 was the minimum, the 15. Okay. So well, here again we need to clarify if something is good. Let me check this candle here. It's for the 4 hours. Mhm. This is the 4 hour. Okay, possible reaction here in 50-31. Just if the price go back to the 49.73, and if the price invalid that zone, here if the price break that zone, probably we will see prices around 48. But it depends. All the pressure will be into this 50-31, and the buy some in 49.73. If they break that sum, this buy some will be taken, and they probably they will retest the 48. Well, let's see what happened. The next hour give us this let's say beautiful, because it was beautiful sell. It was a beautiful sell. Now all the pressure will be in 50-30. Let's see what happened. Okay, 50-73. 73. Nothing to do, guys. The price and the buy some, well, the buy some, the sellers broke it very, very easy. So not too much to do. Just to respect the stop loss. Hopefully everyone here respect the stop loss what I provide here. No reason to hold positions in negative. Okay. So please be clear of that. And this is for 70-31. Okay. So, well, there is the possible entries for the buy some. With this type of pressure, we need to wait a really, really good confirmation. Okay, very good confirmation for sellers. Just the retracement, that would be enough. And well, this is the positions right now, and a stop loss. It's painful, I know. By my side, almost 600 negative. Well, that is part of the risk. Yes, we see the jolts, but it was 1 hour ago. So that means the jolts was here when the high impact news appears. The jolts was here, And I expect well, the price go back, the price go back. Um but not that much. Then the price give us some reaction here. That's a pin bar reaction into the 83. Then the price just go fall. I don't think it was for the jolts, to be honest. Uh for 30, 45 minutes later, the reaction. Mm, so well, probably yes, probably no. I don't know. But well, the jolts was the only um, high impact news at this point. Now the price is trying to go up. Shit, the real. Hola, que lo que? Back to trading after a short break. Perfect, my friend. That's beautiful. Today is not the best start. Okay, guys. So simple, right? This is the not simple. It's difficult, I know. So into the buy zone, we need to wait the confirmation, and into the sell zone, just we need to wait the retracement. Mux is here too. That's all. That's the way. Okay, my condolence for you, my friend Mux. Hopefully you're okay. All my best wishes for you, my friend Mux. My condolence. A lot of fresh lens. It's part of the life. It's difficult, I know. It's difficult. Difficult situation to pass away to some of your family. Always is difficult. Surprise! The price is recovering the price. What a surprise! Well, we got the not the best week, not the best week. We closed two trades manually. Um, three TP1, three TP1. Well, seven trades. Two trades closed manually, near to the point of entry. Three TP1 and two stops. It is considered counter confirmation a pullback. No, this is not a. This is the confirmation, of course, for the buy sum because the buy sum was there. Um, but the reaction is massive. You know, the reaction is massive. It didn't help us to get a good position. You know, fair offensive back. That's great. That's great. Manipulation. It's not a manipulation. It's just gold being gold. Normal um, conditions in gold nowadays. So, so here, what happened? I'm not going to open the trade now. With that type of retracement, and I need to wait the confirmation, guys. That is so. That is massive. Ah, esos son los momentos donde, no sé, es como, no es pereza, es es el momento donde se piensa, ¿por qué? ¿Por qué? O sea, no había razón para bajar tanto. Eh, y no había razón para subir tanto. Menos de 30 minutos. Menos de 30 minutos fueron casi 1000 pips. Less than 30 minutes, and gold it's doing around 1000 pips. It tests the 5072. Zero, zero. Now the price is quiet. Okay, testing the sun. I'm just waiting, guys, since this beautiful reaction for sailors. That was great. 5063. Pure patience. Pure patience. I selling GG for me if I win or not. I expect this price go back, my friend, to be honest. Hopefully you win here. Gold is playing hard to get for a week now. That was difficult, you know? Mm, This is a good sell. Probably it's a good sell. 112 pips now. 112 pips now. Currently, it's down to 1,000. My friend, what happened with the lot size, my friend? Let's try to recover here. We'll try to recover. I'm going to try to sell. Never again. Yes, that's the election. Lesions and that lesions are painful. This moment it's near to my cell phone, so for that reason I will try to prepare the the short position. Let's see if it goes back to the 55th, the 50-40 for open a long position. Now I'm just waiting. That happens, my friend. That happens. Remember when I start this account, the first week it was minus 200 $2,500 in the first week in negative. Um, and well, a slow recover. That's all. A slow recover. In the next week, it was in positive for 1,500, and I did the same over trade. Over trade in Everyone here saw the bad result. I lose all the profit there. The $1,500 lose it. But the next, I try to recover at least some money. I now in some positive. I was in 1,200 or something like this. But well, now it's in a little negative for around $800. Not too much. So the goal is at least go to the 5,000 in positive. Let's see what happens. Yes, but with goal, it's necessary to always understand this type of reactions um, will happen. Will happen, and it's difficult. For that reason, we use the stop loss. I know many people don't like the stop loss, guys. The stop loss is our best friend. If I if you don't use the stop loss, guys, it's difficult. Stop loss is our best friend. The weekly candle. Let's see. Weekly, it's ending in red. Testing the 50/30. I don't see any difference. I don't see any difference here for the weekly candle, my friend. For Cooper, it looks like a negative, but not too much. Daily is the same. Daily gives us some reaction. So well, yes, guys. Again, um, use the correct lot size for your account. It's always what I'm saying. If you don't use the correct lot size for your account, um, that thing happens. That thing happens. And it's the same. It's go to the. It's a little gambling, yes. It's a little gambling, yes, because you're increasing your lot size because you think you're going to win more. Um, that is the main reason. But well, now this is the election. Don't increase your lot size. Try to work with the same lot size. I'm trying to work at least in most of the time less than 0.40 per trade. So well, guys, with gold here into the cells, in Costa Rica, it's almost same AM. Okay, guys, with the gold, it's a difficult decision at this point. The our point of entry was around 50.70, 50.72. Now, I want to say something good, something clear, but well, what can I say? So well, I'm going to wait these 7 minutes. Okay, I'm going to wait these 7 minutes. Go for some water and back. So stay there, relax, and let's try to recover. Now it's falling into our point of entry. So well, in 1 hour we got 400 pips, 300 pips, 300 pips. So more or less around 1,000 pips in less than 1 hour. It was into the thousand, yes, but well, for example, if this candle ends near to the 50 56, that that would be give me a better trust in the position, and then the reaction for 50 68, the retracement, that would be beautiful, and then we will open the sell. But well, um, very good the scenario. Mm. Okay, so well, the price will test the buy sign again, and it's going up. Pure patience, guys. I want to say something different, like we got the pure for structure or something, but the reality is no. So I recommend, if you are not ready for this type of market, just stay away, go back, go and come back next Monday, guys. It's pretty easy, you know. Um, Difficult Friday. I will prepare the loan position according my strategy. We are into the buy some. Well, if the price go back, of course, to 50, 35 at least, I will prepare the loan position. If you don't like the idea, I just, I understand, you know. But well, I will follow the process. I will follow the same positions as usual. Let's see what we have. I know it's difficult. I know it's really, really difficult. Really, really difficult. Um, and well, let's wait these 10 minutes for see what happened. The new candle in 1 hour will come in the next minutes. So well here testing the 5037. We need to wait, guys. We need to wait for see what happened. Okay, 4 minutes. 3 minutes. Next target 50-15. Probably yes. It depends for this candle again. It's easier to explain here. This is our buy sum here. So we need the confirmation in 50-30. For that reason, 50-30 it's important. This is the buy sum. It tests many times. For example, this it was so weeks ago. It starts so hard here, and then it recovered the price. Here, same recovery in the price. Let's see what happened here. 50-30 again. This is the volume buy sum. 50-31. So let's see. 2 minutes. Exactly. Use the correct lot size. Good advice. Good advice, my friend. to make it fun. 30. Now we have two options, guys. Open the trade now or wait another 50 minutes. Um, what do you think? What I'm going to choose? Hmm. Exactly. Way better. I'm going to wait. That's the way what I'm going to choose because the falling was so hard. Come down, slay your maiden. 'Waiting, guys. I'm waiting. I'm seeing some people here. Well, Joseph, for example, if you want to buy, that's your decision, my friend. Good luck, and I expect a really good reaction for you. 49.95 incoming. That's a possibility too. Just wait, guys. Yeah, exactly. Just waiting. What area in Costa Rica? I live in San Jose, in the central part of San Jose, the capital. Entry activity, yes or no? I'm ready to tell you guys. I'm waiting. I'm waiting. La grandeza que tiene este mar. Estoy esperando aún. Estoy esperando una posible entrada en compra. Exactly. The original Zozo was beautiful, but the retracement wasn't enough. Okay, again, guys, I'm waiting these 10 minutes, okay? I'm waiting. I'm waiting. Mi castigo es la eternidad. I know some people is into the position, so well, wish the best, guys. So, well, guys, remember if you want to work with a prop firm, just go into the promfirmmatch.com. There you will see what is the best option, what is the best discount according your knowledge, according your strategy, of course, according of what do you need. It's there. The most important companies are listed there, all of them with different discounts. Just read the information, read the comments, read the reviews, clarify your mind before apply any challenge or instant funding. Just go into the link. The link is into the chat, and the link is um, into the description. Okay, guys. I'm waiting, guys. I'm waiting 7 minutes more. Okay, we're going to do it together, but let's wait. Good reaction. 5 minutes. 5 minutes. 4 minutes. Mateo, bueno, sí, estamos esperando. Estamos esperando. Recuerden que cualquier pregunta en español me la hacen y listo. I use the volume, yes. Let's expect the price ends near to the 50-40, no more than that, and continue. And then we can apply for a good retracement. That would be awesome. That would be awesome. Two minutes. 2 minutes. This one's going to be the last trade of the week. So let's see. This is the last candle with a pin bar reaction. So it's a must. So the price ends more than the 50.29. Let's see. Okay. The price is there. Let's wait the retracement. Let's wait some retracements on red candle. Some red candle. Okay, 33. 32. Some consolidation there. This one. Okay, we got the consolidation there. Waiting some seconds more for at least 50, 30. Now it's in 34, 35. Okay, going back. 50, 70. 35. Come on, just some pips. Just some retracement. 33. Consolidation is there, so let's try the position there. Zero, 30. I'm into the position. Waiting the 32. 50, 33. That 32 is the point of entry. Working into the TPS. Working into the TPS, guys. TP3. Okay. Good. 50, 18.50 is the stop loss. Remember, in this channel, the most important thing is the stop loss. So let's see. Your patience. Let's see what happened. Let's see what we have. We need to break the 41 if we want to continue. This is the last four candles here. Last four candles. We need to continue with this pressure. We need to break the 50, 54, 50, 40. So let's see. 3 minutes more. We need to continue up to the 35. That's really important. Remember, the stop loss is 50, 18, that 50, no more than that. Be clear of that. This is the last 2 minutes. Last two candles. Trying to stay with more than the 50, 35. So that's great. We need more, of course. More volume. Your patience. This is the last candle. Good. We need to pass the 50, 40. That's the important thing at this moment. This is the last seconds. So the 50 minutes ends with a good volume. TP1 it's near to 125 pips. Great. So let's see. Almost there, guys. Just some pips more. Just some pips more. That's him. Your patience. Okay, almost there. And TP1, it's now, guys. TP1, it's now. Purchase on B. Purchase on B. Purchase on B, guys. Partials on B, please. Okay, guys. Some recover. Some recover. Let's see for TP2. Partials on B. If you want to close the position now, that's okay. It depends of your experience, guys. It depends of your experience or how much you can hold. Almost TP1. Almost TP2, sorry. Let's see. Set your break even. Partials on B, guys, please. Partials on B. Partials on B, guys. Partials and B, please. Partials on B, and share your profits at this point. Partials and break even, guys, again. Partials and break even. Partials and break even and still holding. Share your profits at this point. Some recover, guys. Ten minutes more. 10 minutes more. Let's push together. Almost there. Some pips more. Let's push together. TP2 it's now, guys. TP2 it's now. TP2 it's now. Partials, please. Partials. Partials and B, guys. Partials and B. 176 pips. Share your profits at this point. Share your profits at this point. Compartan ahí la ganancia. Recuerden que eso es un trade para recuperar el de la mañana. 176 pips. Partials and break even. So well, guys, good, good. I would take advantage for give the information. XELLION, we're going to do the first competition with XELLION for for give some rewards for the best traders in this community. So so the next week I will give you the information about what the rules and everything about the Celium competition for winning around $5,000 in rewards. So be clear, it's just for the people in Celium, guys. So if you want to participate, just create an account. There is the link, and next week I will give you the steps of how to participate in the rewards for the for gift money for the best traders, more money for the best traders. It's a competition, so let's see how much you can win with that, or what is the best one. I have good expectations for some people in my community, so that would be great. So let's see, let's see. Next Monday, I will give you all the information. Of course, the people into the Discord and the people into the Telegram will receive the information first. And let's see. Let's see. Thank you, brother. I booked $1,500. Good, cool, deep, perfect, my friend. That's great. Remember, I'm holding in break even. Holding in break even. I already did some partials, guys. I already did some partials. So, so yes, holding my position. Holding my position in break even. break even, guys. Break even. Share your profits. Let me read the profits into the chat. If you recover some money, if not, if you're in positive. So, yes. $43, $12, $567, $569. Thanks, Cap. I'm live to the live. See you. Perfect, my friend. Hold your position. Thank your $30. Okay, Sam, it's already done. For Lone Wolf, $10. That's great. Book $58. John Emmanuel, I'm holding $110 Runium. And stuck into the no reason to being stuck in a trade, my friend. In 51.46, close that trade. No reason to hold position in negative for less than 100 pips in negative. $50, perfect. I recover $80, perfect. That's good, my friend. $32, good. Just sharing idea. Let me share some funny thing. First time I came to your stream, and once the TP was done, you said share your profits. I thought you mean we have to share your profit with you. Later, I understand. It was a good. It was good, guys, to share the profits with me. That's a good idea. But no, it's just for read and see how many money the people it's it's doing recovering, and that's all. $20, $35. That's great, guys. Good. Still holding. The price is giving us a reaction in TP1. We need to continue near to the TP1 if we want to continue for 50.57. $92 for a John. Best trader and take I mean as your best. Thanks, my friend Alim. Sometimes I win, sometimes I lose. Okay, Fahim, $1,200, 65 book. Great, guys. Remember, if you want to be part of the community, the only the way to get the access is by WhatsApp. It's $169 lifetime subscriptions if you want to receive the signals on time, if you want to receive all the information of what do you need. There is all the information. So if you want to apply there, just contact me by WhatsApp, guys. It's pretty simple. Just remember, it's not for free, right? It's a lifetime subscription. $55, great. $60 for Miguel. Miguel, excelente. Cuatro trechos, excelente trade, Laurito. Good. Of course, our original point was near to the 50.30. It gave us a good reaction. If I open the trade here in this candle, we will win more money. But well, remember, I always wait the confirmation and the that type of things. I don't want to happen uh the thing for the last trade. As you can see, guys, as you can see, this candle is when we open the trade, right? Here, here. This candle was the when we opened the trade, right? That was our buy sum there. And this candle is when we open the trade again here. As you can see, it looks pretty similar, you know? It's very similar. Unfortunately, the price gives us that reaction, and here it gives us that little reaction here, at least some retracement. It's not that much, but at least we are recovering the we are recovering the I use the same confirmation in the into the sons, guys. So the thing what I want to explain is the stop loss will be there for one reason. Okay, a stop loss will it's there for one reason. We need to use the stop loss, and we need to clarify our lot size, guys, for your accounts. Okay, if you don't use the correct uh if you don't use the lot size, that would be difficult, guys. But well, that's important to clarify, because some people was angry, in the first trade, like, oh, you don't wait the correct confirmation or that type of things, guys. I use the same confirmation in this trade than the first trade in the morning. So the stop loss will be there for many times, and it's part of the trading, guys. It's part of the trading. Here we recover some money. It's not the best week, I know, because we touched TP1 many times and then B. But well, it's a process. It's a process. It's a constant. Um, it's a process to, like, you need to clarify in trading. It's pretty difficult what we are doing. It's not easy. Well, it's pure patience. Now the price is not going in our favor. What happened? Hold the position in negative. Hold the position in negative. Bye, you. Welcome, my friend. And thanks for your support. That I really appreciate that. Um, Baidu is on board. Is a new member of our community. So that's great. Beautiful. Share the profit, exactly. Share the profit with the super chat. That's great. Gracias, Laurito. Muy buen trade. Entiendo que está difícil el oro en estos días, sí. Seguimos esperando. Pura paciencia. Pura paciencia. That's all. Can you kind of explain what means by the confirmation? The confirmation was the pin bar reaction, what we saw. So let's continue with the trade. Who is still holding? No, I don't manage micro accounts. I'm trying to start in a so well TP2 again. TP2 again. I think it's okay. The bird again. Enter this moment or not? No. No, guys, it's not the moment to the re-entry. Still holding in 25%. Depends if they will blow another chip or not. Perfect. Unexpectedly, TP3. Guys, again, if you take any position and you want to open new orders and everything, just set the break even and holding break even with no pressure. I don't understand them because I'm seeing many people asking for the re-entry and they already close full the position. That's not the idea, guys. That's not the idea. So please be clear of that. That was a good recover. That was a good recover. Mhm. Seems like okay. Perfect. So, well, guys, who is still holding? Who already closed the trade? To test the fifth, the 5,000. I think yes, it will test the 5,000. 49.90, 49.80. So, well, guys, again, remember if you're going to contact me, be clear the Telegram signals is for $169. Okay, $169. $169. It's not for free. Um, but it's a lifetime subscription. Lifetime subscription means you will pay one time, and that's all for the rest of your life. We are going to continue together. Okay. Same for Celion. Remember, for Celion, next week we will have some competitions for the best traders in Celion with a rewards for USDT. So be sure if you're going to open an account to have an USDT because the rewards is going to be by USDT. Okay, be clear of that. O si son de México igual, pueden abrir una cuenta y ahí pueden hacer retiros y depósitos directamente desde el banco. Same for the people into the India, Pakistan, and the other parts of Asia. They have another options to um, withdraw all the money different than USDT. Holding 0.20, perfect. Okay, 5500. ¿Crees que continuará cayendo? Puede ser si tocamos el 50.57. Probablemente toquemos el full TP, pero habrá que ver. At this moment, just waiting. At this moment, just waiting, guys. Yes, exactly. The competition will be based for the amount of the capital. Every account will be a start with a capital, and then if you earn the capital, they will win. The ones who did the more quantity of pips, of course, with some rules for the lot size, right? Because of course I'm going to open a one lot, and then the price is, and it's not the best rate, but you did 10 pips, right? It's different. So it's going to be for the pips and the capital mixed with the lot size, because it's a must to use the standard lot size. Okay. The rewards, that is the reason for the competition, because I propose that there's no reason to give the money for someone who don't understand how to trade. This is a channel for trading, right? So let's give some money for the ones who understand, and they will manage properly the accounts as best as they can. Even we have a really good traders, but they don't have money, so it's part of the to provide them some some incentive for continuing trading and everything. Of course, if you win and you want to withdraw all the money, do it. That's your decision. You win that conquest. But the idea is show what is the bet what is the best trader here, what is the or what is the best ones, because they're going to rewards for the first five places. So let's see. We are a nice community, and let's see what happens. Yes, we it's a must to read or to use the correct process. Joey. So, well, what about Netherlands? It's all the countries is approved. Just if you are for North Korea or Nicaragua or Cuba, that type of countries is not allowed in Celium. So, so well, for obviously reasons, right? Um, but well, this is the link. If you want to participate, just go there. And next week, I will provide you all the information, guys. Celium is the broker we're using right now. As you can see, works pretty good. Pretty nice, pretty nice. Will you go at another one? No, that's the last one, my friend. They are having trouble to pass the 50-50. Market what's fraudulent. They lost $1,200. Difficult market, my friend. Difficult market. But well, it's part of the process. It's part of the reactions, guys. Not too much to do, Patience and recover. Hopefully, some people recover with this rate. Um, and well, let's see what happened. Let's see what happened. I appreciate the ones who stay here even when I lose the first trade. That was good. So well, guys, I'm going to eat my breakfast and back. Guys, remember the Telegram access and the it's a lifetime subscription, but it's a it's not for free. Okay, just be clear of that. I'll be back in some minutes. I'm going to eat and back. Okay, eat and back. Charlotte, I've started trading like today. I'm training and learning, but I don't understand why stop loss has to be so far from target. Uh, Man, for this, mm, to be honest, I don't understand. It's all about the peeps. It's all about the peeps, and that is the. So, well, guys, almost TP3. TP3, it's now. TP3, it's now. TP3, it's now, guys. Who is still holding? Who is still holding? Who get profit in TP3? 236 pips. So someone into the chat. Is there anyone alive? Is there anyone alive? At the Titanic. I changed the B into the TP2, holding for the full take profit. Okay, let me. Perfect. Bora took the TP3. That's great. Joe Emanuel booked another $190, holding $30. That's great. Beautiful. We'll take some partial here. I'm holding 0.05. Um, Sleep is more important. Sleep is. I always say that sleep is for the beginners, not for the poor people. Hold him. Otherwise, okay. Elvis is holding. Silver is still alive. That's great. Bora is 0.01. YouTube $200. That's great. The whole day, day ways. The whole for today $167. Beautiful. Silver graph $1,000. Beautiful. Big win. Beautiful. Aprendan a esperar, la paciencia paga, exactamente. The afternoon Chinese market push hider. Okay. Monster Eve 230 pips done. Perfect. That's great. Blues effects. $3,456 booked. Perfect, my friend. Beautiful. Are we going to 5170? Probably no. Thank you, sir. You're the best. I missed the first. Perfect, my friend. The first was a fail, a stop loss. People was angry, but well, um, this is what it is. For that reason, we got the stop loss. The stop loss here is our best friend. So well, Wim, okay, Sia, perfect. Lewis, perfect. Made 100, 1,400 British pounds. Perfect, my friend. Around $106. That's beautiful. Today was late. I hope Monday helps a lot. Too late to enter a boy? Yes, it's too late. When is your next entry? I'm holding the same position, guys. I know it's easier hold the blue numbers than the um chances for full TP. It depends for the next 7 minutes. It depends for the next 7 minutes. My B is in 50-53. My B is here just in case. 50-53. Securing $3,000. So, guys, remember if you want to be part of the community, just go into the WhatsApp. It's a lifetime subscription for $169 for Telegram signals. Okay? Telegram signals. The how it looks like. How it looks like this because someone is asking me how Telegram signal looks like. It looks like this. TP1, TP. I share the positions. The stop loss. I share the stop loss. I share the TPs. All what I do, I share. If we don't have a positions, I update the information there. The TPs, point of entries, the signal, the point of entry, the TPs, everything very clear and structured. Well, this is how it looks like. So, well, this is how it looks like. So, if you want to be part of that, if you want to skip um, the jungle chat, just contact me by WhatsApp. You're more than welcome into the Telegram signals. My friend Boba, see you soon, my friend. Thanks for your support and thanks for your patience too and for your time and for your effort, my friend. Thanks. Nice to see you here. Nice to see you here again. Almost touched the break even. Hi, Laurito. I have a one Python auto trading logic. Are you interested in the last 1 month running them was performing well? Also, last year's like this was always awesome. No, to be honest, I don't use any auto trading. Bro, I slept for the USD. I slept. Thanks for the USD. Perfect, my friend. Go to sleep and rest well. Okay, the position was taken, guys. 236 pips. 236 pips. Okay, for Taya, he booked $200. That's beautiful and that's great. Tiene que hacer un rango para que suba de nuevo. Sí, va a intentar estar por ahí, pero bueno. The trade is closed, guys. Ending the week with a nice profit. Bye. Back to the 972 pips in positive. So that's great. So well, ending the week with a nice profit. back to the 1,000 $1,400 in positive, so that's great. Um, well, difficult week, guys. Difficult week. The schedule for your live sessions, guys. Just active the notifications into the YouTube to YouTube. Yes, as simple as that, guys. Simple as that. So well, for this month, 18 trades, 16 in gold, two trades in Nasdaq, still in positive gold for the pips, 972 pips in positive, and Nasdaq 173 pips in positive. For this week, first trade, the stop loss for 139 pips, another buy for 147 pips in Tokyo session, and one trade closed manually for two trades manually closed 26 pips. For New York session, 105 pips in positive. The next trade closed in manually 36 pips in negative. The other sell position 108 pips in positive. The first trade of today 149 pips in negative was a stop, and this one for recover 236 pips in positive, guys. So we did 8 trades, 8 trades for gold this week. Not the best week, but well, continuing positive and with a very good positions, guys. Very good positions. Um, guys, remember, the Telegram is not for free. It's $169. $169, guys. Okay, please understand that. Okay. Gato, made it back on screen. Yo hice una entrada en 50-30, profit de 400. Excelente, Joseph. So well, probably it will go for our full TP. So well, let's see the review for today. Not the best positions. Well, some profit there. Still there into these positions. The resume of the week. Good profits. This trade was beautiful. $1,000. Was great. But well, different results for many different positions. So that's okay. $1,400. Let's roll to the 5,000 for try to for make the other withdrawal. I'm still holding John Manuel perfect, my friend. Hold your position. Hold the blue numbers as much as you can, guys. So, John Emmanuel, hold your position in B. Set the break even in a point what you feel comfortable. I set my break even there because I really want to recover the stop loss for today. So I recover it and then some profit. So that's great. That's beautiful. Beautiful. Guys, thanks for your time. Thanks for your effort. Thanks for all your patience. Of course, thanks for the ones who stay here even when I lose a position. That's the most important thing by my side. I really appreciate that, and I really appreciate the effort. The time and the trust is pretty important. Remember, if I lose, I'm going to stay here. If I win, I'm going to stay here. I'm not going to nowhere. Um, I'm not going to disappear. I'm just going to come back, and I'm trying to come back stronger with this beautiful trade, guys. So thanks for understand this is trading, and the thing what is we are doing is very difficult. Um, and well, that thing happens. Beautiful trade. The ones who still holding, good job, holding break even, hold the blue numbers, everything by my side. That's all. Enjoy your weekend, guys. Back on Monday. Remember, it's a lifetime subscription for $169. It's not for free. Okay. If you want to be of the community, if you want to work with us, with XELLION, with this beautiful platform, what we are using, see, 1 month and some weeks. So just go there. The link is into the chat, the promotion for the welcome bonus, and the Telegram signals, guys. See you soon. Thanks for your support, guys. I really appreciate your time and your effort too. Lewis, Boba, Bora. Now it's Bora. Elfonice. Thanks, Sam Nobs Traders. Thanks, my friend, for being here. And John, thanks for being here. Blues Effects. YouTube, thanks for being here. Baidu, So, well, guys, thanks for all your support. See you soon in the next sessions. Coming back here for New York session next Monday, guys. Next Monday. See you guys, and thanks for your support. What is your Telegram win rate last month? I always stay around 78% per month. 78% is the win rate of the Telegram, guys. I'm not going to came here and say no, it's the 90% win rate because it's impossible. It's realistic. Um, 78% is the average for the Telegram. We did it good, but the thing is, I always focus to gold and Nasdaq. Give us the um, the profit into the pips. The counter into the pips, because I can lose, like two, three trades, and then I can do another um, two, three positions in a full TP, So that's sí. Soy nuevo, interesantes análisis, Matías, bienvenido, mi amigo, más que bienvenido, un placer. Pero bueno, nos vemos el lunes y con cuidado, ¿verdad? Exactly, Lewis. Thanks for the clarification there. If you're interested to the Telegram, just go there into the WhatsApp, guys. See you soon.